Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Viewers, I will share you patchwork crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, patchwork. Patchwork crafts. Today we are making a beautiful patchwork craft. Patchwork is a fun and creative way to use small pieces of fabric and turn them into something new and useful. Let's start this easy dye project together. Choosing fabric. First, collect different fabric pieces. You can use old cloth, leftover cloth, and or printed fabric. Choose color and pattern that look nice together. This makes your patchwork designs more colorful and attractive. Cutting the fabric. Now cut the fabric into small shapes like square or rectangle. Try to keep the size almost the same so sewing become easy. You can also mix different sizes for unique look. Arranging the design. Place all fabric pieces on tables and arrange them in patterns you like. Change the position you feel happy with the design. This step helps you see how your final craft will look. And friends, viewers, swing the piece. Now sew the fabric piece together one by one. Join two pieces first, then keep adding more pieces. Swing slowly and carefully to make neat lines. Soon you will see a beautiful patchwork sheet. Finish the craft. After sewing, always iron the fabric to make it smooth. You can turn this patchwork into a handbag, cushions, cover, table mat, wall hanger, or many other crafts. And our patchwork craft is ready. This is a great way to recycle our fabric and create something beautiful by hand. I hope you enjoy this easy crafts ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dye crafts videos. See you next video. Friends. So Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, viewers. Thanks for watching my videos. Khuda Hafiz.